Coronavirus COVID-19, the structure of coronavirus. Name, Nazir Talfatar. Class, Botany Department College, Rajbadi Gove College, Rajbadi. Dhaka, Bangladesh. Topic, the structure of coronavirus. COVID-19. Virus of organism, there are protein and nucleic acid, and also there are lipid, polysaccharide even in virus, biotin also exist. Virus of animal species. The size of virus is about much microscopical. There is no plasma membrane in cytoplasm. They are captains and obligate parasite. The size of virus mainly like bread and polygonal. There is DNA in the virus of organism. The virus of living thing they enter in the abelting with the process of phagocytosis. By virus, there might be affected people with the diseases like influenza, pox, measles, pneumonia etc. can be said. In its capacity, there might be lipid with proteins. The structure is situated with DNA. Generally, DNA virus is the virus which can be attack the animal and bacteria. Each nucleotide is deoxyribonucleic acid, and in each nucleotide has deoxypentogay sugar and also phosphoric acid, and one alkali has existence. The other's base is adenine, thymine, guanine. Bacteriophages are virus. When the virus will born, it try to find out other bodies to spread diseases. It make another one virus like its own structure. They doesn't eat. It is contagious. Virus makes suspension. It has no cell but protein and nucleic acid. Virus is neutral when it is outside of body. Respiration has not been in the characteristics of virus. The potential of virus, if you make it separated and add again with it, the virus will be made again. So, it creates disease like pneumonia and especially coronavirus COVID-19. In the DNA virus there is a huge amount of nucleic acid. The DNA virus is like bacteriophage. From the Wikipedia, in Bangladesh, total cases 297,000, recovered 184,000, the rate of deaths are 3,983,000. On the other side, total worldwide peoples are confirmed at total cases at least 23.4 million, recovered has been 15.2 million, and the rate of deaths are about almost 809k from recent information. It is a matter of great sorrow that peoples are dead by the coronavirus, that is a great dangerous virus, which is air-based as it is spread by the air. That virus don't have any physical increasement. Virus doesn't accept any food and they have not metabolized. There can be made suspension of virus. It can be purified by centrifuge. They can tolerate high temperature or low temperature. They makes multiplication by counterpart. It can go against of acid, salt, basic salt. A person who has this disease, the peoples around him may be affected. So, we should stay carefully. In our country, in Bangladesh especially, nurses should have given extra care, so that they can save their life. The person who is attacked by coronavirus, he should not stay with family. If he stays his family, then he has to remain separate from his family members with a distance. Day laborer, rickshaw puller are suffering much. 3 can't earn because of lockdown, so government should help as much as possible. In this situation, one old person has been dead from hunger. It's really a heart-touching situation and matter of sorrow. Lockdown makes all the institute closed. So people must not to go outside. Police is our friend. If we maintain the rules, our country and her peoples will be stay in peace. Doctor suggests that hot water, antique clove etc. are helpful for our health. We must use hand sanitizer when we go outside. COVID-19 classification of coronavirus. Name, Nazir Talfatar. Class, Botany Department. College, Rajbadi Gove College. Rajabarai, Dhaka, Bangladesh. Topic: sad face, COVID-19, classification, modern method. About the classification of virus include 5 things are important. The base of virus. 1. The types of nucleic acid, DNA or RNA. 2. Capacide balance. 3. Around nucleic acid existence of pestilence. 4. Radius of capacid. 5. Number of capsamare. Cell lysis is used to break open cells to avoid shear forces that would denature or degrade sensitive proteins in DNA. The virus particles burst out of the host cell into the extracellular space, resulting in the death of host cell. Once the virus has escaped from the host cell, it is ready to center a new cell and multiply. Viruses are the smallest of all THS microbes. They are said to be so small that 500 million rhinoviruses, which cause the common cold, could fit onto the head of a pin. They are unique because they are only alive and able to multiply inside the cells of other living things. The cell they multiply in is called the host cell. As the newly formed viral particle pushes against the host cell's plasma membrane, envelops the virus and becomes the viral envelope. The virus is released from the cell. This process slowly uses up the host cell membrane and usually leads to cell death. Protectable virus creation, and if we use it, we conserved, suppressed, restrained the coronavirus, COVID-19.